Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today I'm going to be heading to 3 thrift stores, maybe 2, depending on how much time I have. It's already almost 1. I'm supposed to be out of here around 11, but super late getting out today. So hopefully I can hit at least 2 of the thrift stores. 2 of them I haven't been there in like 3 years, so I'm hoping to hit those. Not sure about the other one, the one I hit last video that you hopefully saw. If you didn't, go back and watch it. But anyways, let's go have some fun, pick up a bunch of plush, maybe a bunch of toys. We'll see. Alright, let's get going. Alright, just got in here inside the toy department. Has a bunch of toys. Some action figures over there. Big plush up there. Let's see if we can get a closer view. Well, let's see what we can find. Alright, let's see what we got over here. I don't know what that is. Let's see what tag it is. Ouch. $3.99, no thanks. Blue is the only one not half price today. If I look out and find some green, that's 75% off. Emojis. Some Hawaiian girl in a pineapple costume. What is that? SpongeBob's girlfriend? No, I'm just kidding. Blue. Oh, we have this guy. Forgot his name. Ouch. No thanks. Even half off, I don't think I want to buy that. Nice looking elephant. Let's see. Blue again, like I said, is not half off, which sucks. $2. He does something. Fortunately, I gotta buy him to see if he works. I don't know. Might leave him there. Blue. He's really nice. Sure, I'll get 25 from easy. Cyborg. It's $2 with the tag. I'll take him. Rudolph. Again, don't know if he works. Okay. $1.50 for a nice big seal. Looks really cool. Oh, look at that guy's face. Really cool. That is a... yeah, there you go. Little brownie. I couldn't think of Girl Scouts when I touching it. $1.50 for him? No. He usually only gets like 16, 17.
Does anybody have a card over there?
Fake Sad Sam. This? Who is this guy? Wow, checking out prices. Finally hit the jackpot. Alright, yeah, there's a ton of plush here. Fortunately, the music is super loud, so I can't take much here. But, really nice stuff, so I will show you what I got after. This is supposedly a Harry Potter cat. I don't remember a Harry Potter cat. And then I got the rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. They're really nice. It's a bunch of plush up here. I don't know what this guy is. What is this? Oh, it's like a monkey bee. Alright, I just got back to the car. Like I said, the store, they're just blasting music, so I can't do much taping. I got this huge bag, and these 3 bags of like just a mixture of plush. Paid $40 for all this, and I am going back in because my cart was completely full and there was nowhere to just leave it. So I just checked out with the first full cart, and let's see if I can fill up another one. So far, this 3rd thrift store has been great. Not sure about these mystery bags, but I believe they were only $2, so I'm like, what the heck, why not? Let's see, there's a Starbucks bear there. There's, I believe, a Patrick Star maybe. There's the dinosaur from Peppa Pig, and there's some good things in here. So there's the Chuck E. Cheese mouse. There's Wonder Woman's butt, so and there's the fish from The Simpsons. But when I get home, I'll show you exactly what I got. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I fill up another cart. Well, this thrift store does like bins like this, see? $24, so this is half price day, so it's half off. They have like blocks, that's $6, so $3. See, they have like animals, a whole bunch of different things like that. That's why I like this thrift store. Too bad it's like an hour and a half away from my house, so I don't come here very often. But it's a nice place to stock up on stuff. See, like that's like $2.50. See, it's all school supplies, markers, games. They have a lot of different things like that. These all Build-A-Bear clothes. $5.99, so $3. So here's my second cart full. Just spent $30 on this cart. See, there's a bunch more. Oops, just dropped a bag. This is a Justice mermaid pillow. So since Justice is out of business, I figured might as well pick it up, see if it's worth something. Got 3 more mystery bags. Not sure what's in there, but it's easy to make a profit on $2 a bag. And here's another one over here. There's a little Minnie Mouse. There's a Pusheen, so you know right away with Pusheen, no matter how small it is, you're gonna make your money back on a $2 bag. This looks like it's a sriracha bottle. These mystery bags, I just pick them up. Why not? I mean, they're only $2. Way cheaper than the ones I get at the Goodwill bins or the Goodwill online. Was what, like, I think they're $35 now. And look, that looks like Al from Winnie the Pooh. There's a Hulk, so easy money back on any of these bags. So. Alright, I'm gonna get home and I'll let you look at some of the stuff I got. Alright. Okay, I am back home. It's been about a week since the thrift store. I got all the open stuff right here, all the stuff that isn't in mystery bags I got right here. I'll do the mystery bags in a separate video. I think I got about 9 or 10 big mystery bags, so I'll make a different video on that. I don't want this video to go on for like 10 hours, right? Anyways, let's get into what I bought at the thrift store. Let's open her up. If it wants to open, we are ripping it. Alright. This is a little Blue the Bear backpack. Paid full price of this. I paid $4. Should get about $30 on it. Don't forget, when I'm giving my prices, it's just an estimate. I'm still going to look most of the stuff up. Plus, I do free shipping, so my shipping has to be added in here. So I paid $4 for this backpack. I expect to get about $30 for it. There's one there. This one is the Lego girl from the Lego movie. Again, I expect to get about $30 for her. I paid $4 for her. This is the little brown bear from Bloomingdale's. I think he goes for pretty good money, so I'm thinking around $40 for him. I'm not positive, but I just took a flyer on it. He was half price, so yeah, I just took a flyer on him. There's a thing, 2006 or 8? 2008. It's backwards in the camera. So we got this little Halloween guy, this little jack-o'-lantern. He was only 99 cents, so took a flyer on him. All Halloween's plush I always buy because it's so hard to find Halloween plush. I can put Thanksgiving on this guy too. I expect to get about $25 for him. He's really nice. We got this nice dragon. I think I showed him in the video. Paid $2.99 for him. Hoping to get like 25. I mean, anytime you get the stars and really nice colors on something like this, people will pay up for items like that. Little Minecraft guy. Don't expect much out of him. I think I paid $0.25. The ones without tags, or the ones without tags, they just sell them to me for $0.25. So paid $0.25 on him. Probably looking at about $18. Moana. Paid $2 for Moana. After a little bath, should get about $20 for the pig, or her or him. I don't know. Cyborg. Paid $2 for him. With the popularity of Teen Titans, I'm sure I'll get at least 20 for him. Again, normally I wouldn't pay up for them, but I was getting no plush at the beginning. So, yeah, I decided just to buy a bunch because I was getting nothing at the beginning. If I knew I was going to get such a nice haul at the end, I probably wouldn't have purchased all these for this expensive. Well, it's expensive for me. I only spend normally 50 cents per plush, so it's way more expensive than I normally do. Here's a realistic seal from SeaWorld. This one's really big. You can see. I'm trying to get the tail in the picture. Trying, but yeah, I expect to get about $30 for him because he's such a big monster seal. Got the bomb from Super Mario Brothers. I paid up a lot for him. You can see there, it was $7. So, but yeah, these do sell very well. You probably get like 30 for him, at least. Especially since he has the wick, because the last one I sold, I think it was 30, and it didn't have the little wick on him. So, expect to get about 30 for him. Few more in here. Got a sock monkey Lovey. Loveys will always go for like 20, 25. Needs to be washed, so I will give it a quick wash. Got a bunch of Loveys in here. Whoops, how did I get this? I don't think this is my bag. I think they threw this in here by accident. This is not mine. So, got a free t-shirt. Need a bunny t-shirt. That isn't mine. Alright. I think this is the... I think I got one more bag after this. We got this little guy. If I can find where... Okay, shut him off. I thought he was cute. Paid $2.50 for him. An easy $25, maybe 30. Got a sequence. This is a Frozen. This is Olaf. Paid $2 for him. That's what the tag said. It's a sequence Olaf. Hopefully, we'll get at least 20 for him. And got the Little Mermaid from. This is from Justice. You can see how they. And Justice is available online, but it doesn't have the stores anymore. So I think this should go for good money. I for sure will look it up, but expect about 30 for this. It was $2.99. So that, and got one more over here. Got a nice Build-A-Bear owl. Minimum on the owl I will put is probably like 25, maybe 30. Really looks nice. See all the nice colors on the owl. And we got Spark, Create, Imagine, little unicorn. They usually sell for good money, probably around 20 bucks. And we got one more loose item. It is Believe in Your Dreams. Another Lovey. Like I said, 20, 25 on all Loveys all the time. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I gotta list all this stuff and then make another video for the mystery bags. Take care. Bye.